I've done my homework on the different equipment, and Sonny's is just simply the best equipment you can get out there. Plus, the local and regional guys that they have working with them, they know more about the car wash industry than I can ever know. We have been able to completely rely on Sonny's for everything that we needed. A broad range of products, supplies, and services, and we have not one time had Sonny's fail us on anything that we needed.
We've worked with them with our first wash and now with the second wash, and they provide so much more than just selling equipment. They give you advice and consultation that's just invaluable, and we are very much indebted to them and endeared to them, and they're great and decent people, and we've enjoyed working with them.
We were very impressed with what they showed us, not only in their offices and their purchasing powers and their actual being able to build the equipment. They took us through their warehouse and showed us how the equipment was made, and we were very impressed with what they showed us, and that's why we went with Sonny's equipment.
Sonny's was here from day one, you know. Before I would purchase, I even used them to evaluate the property, whether I should buy it or not.
Sonny's equipment has been good. Sonny's has been real good to me since day one. When I started doing homework almost 5 years ago, I spoke with Sonny's, I spoke with all the equipment manufacturers. I got the warmest feeling from Sonny's.
They took the measurements, sent it back to Sonny's, and they sent a set of plans up here to show me exactly how it would work, and we built it just like that. Everything works beautifully.
From a new operator getting into the business is Sonny's can start to get you from A to B, you know, basically all the way through.
Not only they're providing us with good equipment, they're providing us with support down there, and they're supplying us with very excellent training. So we're real happy with the whole setup.
They really worked with us to get us anything we needed overnight or any kind of parts or help. And they have a lot of experience doing remodels and building new car washes, and they helped with the drawings. And I think that stuff is invaluable when you got somebody with that much experience behind you to help. And that's definitely a strong plus for all those companies.
I've been here quite a while. There's not been anything that's happened that has made us shut down or lose a day. We're able to repair it or you know, order a part, get it the next day, and we're going. We've never lost any time that I know of because of faulty equipment.
Any parts or equipment or things that we need, I mean, the fact that we're able to pick up the phone one day and the next day they're being dropped off here, I mean, that's key, and I've not found that kind of service anywhere else.
Their team is reliable, okay? We know what to expect. We get service and support from them, and these car washes, you got to keep the things running.
If I had to do it over again, I'd go with Sonny's. They have been invaluable to my success, and just the quality of the equipment, absolutely.
Whenever I order a part from Sonny's, it's always in stock. It's here ASAP.
The parts are local, the parts are domestic. We're not having to wait for a week or 2 weeks to get a part shipped over from overseas.
The biggest thing to me was service, you know, having someone you can trust and rely on. And that was the deciding factor.
We've had numerous full services, always put Sonny's in. We like the service, we like the quality of the product. If you ever do have a problem with a product, they put it right, no questions asked. You call up, they'll get a piece out to you the next day.
Again, a lot of the people who work at Sonny's have experience in the car wash industry. They've owned car washes, so it goes back to the needs of the car wash. They understand how important it is for us to get that part ASAP.
Anthony, pretty much, he comes on site, he helps us with the plans and the setup of the equipment. Even Sonny himself, he came to visit one of our locations, and I was telling him some things I wanted. He just looked at me, he said, "Roger, you tell me what I want, I'll build it."
Paul was involved. I mean, you know, I can't say enough about their involvement and their help.
I've learned more from Sonny's and Anthony Analetto and the Sonny's team than anywhere else in the industry. And they so freely give and contribute to the operator providing a clean car fast every time, making wise decisions. It's been a real blessing.